Good afternoon. Today is January 12, 2024 Friday, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, January 12, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for January 12, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for January 12, 2024 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.